Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning and best wishes for all of us. The Honorable the Board Jury of World Youth STEM Invention Innovation 20 and 25. I'm Maganesha Malfa and my friends
Sabrina Saripata Yasaini,
Lydia Gitari Sutrisna,
Atanesha Alera Putri Ramadhani.
we are students from SMA Negeri 2 Probolinggo.
PHYSIOLINGUITOR,
Stop dirty and love the environment.
Probolinggo City is one of the areas located in East Java Province. Probolinggo's landscape is very diverse, one of which is the coastal area, which is the main charm of local community. This is evidence from the main livelihood of the Probolinggo City area is fishermen, which is around 11.8%. BPS Probolinggo City 2019. This condition makes the water potential coastal in the Probolinggo City area very abundant. One of the typical seafood of Probolinggo City is lingula.
Currently, the use of lingula is only used as a local specialty food, but it still has a side effect in the form of lingula shells that are not used or thrown away. Even though we think there are other potential opportunities that are more optimal. On the other hand, many factories are standing around the coastal environment of Probolinggo City. This led us to suspect that there was contamination. Therefore, we conducted a tryout experiment in the laboratory by using the lingula cells as a heavy metal detector. Finally, we together with our supervisor decided to use the lingula cell as a cobalt compound detector because it shows physical characteristics that are clearly visible and have different characteristics.
Based on the result of discussions and also discussions with supervisors, we made a research as well as our scientific paper with the title PHYSIOLINGUITOR, Physical Lingula Detector as a Cobalt Compound Detector in water based on physical morphological characterization of inarticulate shell.
Based on the problems above, we set the focus of the problem formulation are first, how does PHYSIOLINGUITOR affect variations in solution containing cobalt? Second, how is the effectiveness of PHYSIOLINGUITOR as a solution detector containing cobalt compounds? Third, what are the forms and workings reactions of PHYSIOLINGUITOR in detecting cobalt contamination in water? And fourth, how is the standard of physical characteristic of PHYSIOLINGUITOR both before and after detecting cobalt contamination in water?
Here is our research method. We conducted this research from November 1 to January 30 at the Physics Laboratory of SMA Negeri 2 Probolinggo. The SEM, XRF, and FTIR tests were carried out on January 25 at the Laboratory of Minerals and Advanced Materials, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, State University of Malang. The following are the research variables that we use. It can be seen that there are three treatment variables, namely treatment B1 is PHYSIOLINGUITOR, which is applied to detect cobalt compounds with a concentration of 2%. B2 is PHYSIOLINGUITOR, which is applied to detect cobalt compounds with a concentration of 6%. And B3 is PHYSIOLINGUITOR, which is applied to detect cobalt compounds with a concentration of 10%.
The following is a brief procedure of our research. 1. Procedure for selection of good quality lingula cells. 2. Procedure for conditioning of lingula cells powder. 3. Procedure for preparation of cobalt chloride solutions. 4. Procedure for immersion treatment on lingula cells powder. 5. Procedure for testing of PHYSIOLINGUITOR quality.
Here are the results of our research. First, pH levels test results. It can be seen that the pH of the solution after detection by PHYSIOLINGUITOR shows a decrease in the pH value. By 2 points or the solution become more acidic. This shows the characteristic of a PHYSIOLINGUITOR. Second, hygroscopicity test results. It can be seen that the greater concentration of cobalt compounds, the higher of the hygroscopicity value of PHYSIOLINGUITOR. Based on the test result shows that the best treatment was B3 with an average hygroscopicity value of about 58.89%.
Third, repose angel test results. It can be seen that the greater concentration of the cobalt compound, the smaller of the PHYSIOLINGUITOR repose angel. Based on the test results indicate that the best treatment is B3 with an average angel of repose value of about 0.421 centimeters. Fourth, compressibility test results. It can be seen that the treatments B1 and B2 look the same, meaning that they both have a not much different effect. This makes the B3 treatment the best because it shows the most different characteristics and the largest value. Namely, the average PHYSIOLINGUITOR compressibility value is around 2.5%.
Fifth, density test results. It can be seen that the greater concentration of the cobalt compound, the greater of PHYSIOLINGUITOR density. Tests on the test result show that the past treatment was B3 with average density value of about 0.0486 grams square meter. 6. Granule flow test results. It can be seen that the greater concentration of the cobalt compound, the smaller granule flow time value of the PHYSIOLINGUITOR. Tests on the test results show that the best treatment was B3 with average granule flow time of about 2.96 seconds.
7. XRF test result or X-ray function. Based on the results of XRF test, it can be seen that the PHYSIOLINGUITOR elemental components, after detecting the presence of cobalt compounds, show a decrease in a presentation of the normal condition. The main components of PHYSIOLINGUITOR are 13.8% phosphorus, 63.3% calcium, and 13.2% cobalt. A. FTER test result. The difference from the result of FTER test would show that the PHYSIOLINGUITOR before detecting the cobalt compound showed the presence of CO, free ether, and OH alcohol group. Meanwhile, after detecting PHYSIOLINGUITOR, the OH group is formed for carboxylic acids. This indicates that the compound is suspected to be a compound reaction that detects the presence of cobalt compound in the PHYSIOLINGUITOR.
9. SEM or scanning electron microscopy test results. It can be seen the results of the SEM test with a magnification of 125,000 times shows that the physical morphology structure of the PHYSIOLINGUITOR before detecting it looks oval shaped with sharp edges. Besides that, it appears that the particles form an independent matrix and there are many voids. But after detecting it looks like it all compounds combine to form a matrix and there are few voids.
Based on the result of the study, PHYSIOLINGUITOR is a powder from Lingula shells which is suspected from XRF results the most composition is calcium carbonate, then reacted to detect a solution of cobalt compounds to produce a pink color of PHYSIOLINGUITOR. This is according to the reference journal indicating the presence of cobalt compounds in a pink matrix. Then the oxidation reaction is carried out by heating it will form a blue color. That corresponds to the following reaction. It can be seen that the blue color reaction indicates that the cobalt has released the water content compound and the cobalt turns into a blue-gray metallic form.
The results of this study make PHYSIOLINGUITOR has its own characteristics which are summarized in product standardization as follows. The summary of the conclusion of his study is that the best PHYSIOLINGUITOR was shown in treatment B3. PHYSIOLINGUITOR was used to detect a solution of cobalt compounds with a concentration of 10%.
For the future, PHYSIOLINGUITOR will be the basis for the development of cobalt detection technology or products targeted at environmental agencies so that can contribute greatly to environmental sustainability. Our products also have the potential for patent rights because of their originality and new elements of innovation in the environmental world.
That's all from us, PHYSIOLINGUITOR.
Stop dirty and love the environment.